Hey guys, this is Muhammad Usman from Pakistan. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can extract your WhatsApp group numbers into an Excel sheet. This is super easy. What you have to do, just open your WhatsApp in any browser. You can use Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, whatever you want to do, and just click on the group from which you want to extract the numbers. After clicking on the group, you can see this bar here, this number bar here. Right click here on this and click on inspect. When you click on the inspect tool, you can see all the numbers which are in this specific group. Here you have to right click and click copy element. And when you copy element, at this stage open the Excel sheet, take a blank sheet. Now right click and paste. You can observe that all the numbers and all the data are placed in single row and in single cell. First we will split each number in single cell. For this you have to click on data, and when you click on data, text to columns, here you have to select the option delimited, click next and uncheck this, tick on this others and separate each cell with comma. You can see that all the numbers are separated with the help of this comma, and here click on next. And when you click on next, you don't need to do anything, just click on finish. All right, now you can see that each single cell contain each number you have extracted from Facebook group. What you have to do, click in the first cell and at this stage press Ctrl Shift right arrow key, and when you press Ctrl Shift right arrow key, it will select all the numbers from left to right, and at this stage press Ctrl C. Now your numbers are copy. Drag your sheet to the left side and right click in any cell where you want to transpose these numbers in a column, and here click on this paste option. This is known as transpose. When you click on it, you will see that all the numbers are aligned in a single column, and you can simply delete this number by pressing again Ctrl Shift right arrow key, click delete. Now you can see your numbers are extracted from group to your Excel sheet. Now you can use them for your marketing purpose or whatever you want to do with your numbers. So this is the way you can extract numbers. Apart from this, if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, if you want to learn about Office applications, I am working as a full-time freelancer on Fiverr. You can reach me on my Fiverr profile by clicking on the first comment, and hope so your issues resolve. You can post your comments if you're facing any issue relevant to your Facebook, relevant to your WhatsApp, relevant to your Excel problems. See you, take care, have a good day.